If you want additional options on how to style your wash and go and you don't have any hair accessories that look like this, you can make your own. If you want to learn how, keep watching. Hello everyone, I'm Janet Smith. Welcome to Crafts and Curls. We're going to craft some amazing hair accessories so that you can style your wash and go in many ways than one. So if you've seen these fashion clips and hairpins before, they're pretty cool, right? Look at that. But it's just a clip and it's something that you can craft yourself. We're gonna craft it using these pins right here. Want to see it closer? Here it is. But we're gonna craft these and we're gonna craft them by repurposing something that you already have. If you're anything like me, you have jewelry that you stopped wearing. Maybe you lost one and you don't have a matching set, or you've forgotten about it, or it's broken, or whatever the case may be, the list goes on and on. I have pulled a couple of drawers out of my jewelry tower, and we're gonna go through this to see what we can create. And if you're also anything like me, you may have a full bag of jewelry. So this heavy bag of jewelry has been retired to my craft room because I have no more room in my jewelry tower, as you can see. So we're gonna go through and see what we can repurpose. And as I'm starting out in this tower first, this would be cute. So I created these, or I made these crochet earrings. I just, crocheted this and put the little hooks on the end. That would be cute. That's definitely something that we could attach to a clip like this, and it could easily be a hair clip that we can put in our hair. Cute. Or if we don't want to use that, see, I have beads flying all over the place. I also have this bracelet that is now broken. This is the strap for the bracelet. These are the pieces. So this stretchy thing is no longer stretchy. It's just a bunch of pieces. And so this is something that we can use to create a hair thing as well. So this is a cute little band. The bracelet goes, or used to go, wrap around your wrists like this, but it's also something that we can attach to a clip and make it into hair accessory, right? I think I'll use that one for sure. So, and this has different designs on the front, different animal print designs. I'm gonna choose the two that I like that kind of match so that I can have a set. I'll use that and then put these other ones back. All these pieces I need to throw away. So anything else in here? I have this necklace. This is still together. I have this necklace that's broken. There's so many different beads in here. Even if you wanted to just use beads, you can actually just add several beads onto a clip. If you have any hair beads like this, you can use something like that, or just beads from a necklace that is broken. Or if you have packet beads, you can add those to a clip. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, I remember this necklace. I love peacocks. this is a necklace that I used to wear all the time. So cute. I have a pair of matching earrings with this, and there's lots of feathers on here. We could actually just use a few of these feathers and still wear the necklace if we want. That would look cute, having a peacock hair accessory. Yeah, I'm gonna use that too. So one more thing, let's see, what else can I use? I do have jewelry in here that I can still wear, but it's a collection of sorts. How about this necklace? Now see, like this necklace, I can still wear this, but we can stretch it and make it go farther. We can just take off this one loop here and have 3 loops on this necklace instead of 4. Wear 3 loops and just add these beads to a hair clip. Yes, that's what we're going to do. So I already have jewelry in my hair, but if I wanted to have a matching set with the hair jewelry that I just made, I could do something like this. I could still wear this peacock necklace because it has plenty of feathers left. Right? I have the earrings that match it, and now I also have hair clips that match, right? So If I'm wearing updo or pulling it back, I can do a clip on this side. I could wear one, but why wear one when you have two? I could do the other one on this side, right? Cool styling. I could also wear this necklace that I've made the hair clips from. We still have 3 full strands of beads hair, and once I add my hair clips, that match my beads, takes my style to the next level. This old broken bracelet has been transformed to some pretty cool hair clips that I can use for a cool style. I can have one on each side, or if I'm just doing a pullback style, I can have both of them on one side, which is cool as well. I have this side down, this side behind my ear. This may even go with jewelry that I have. It's a lot of jewelry in my hair. But why not?